So 66 Mustang showed up, no turn signals. Well, what was wrong with it? No turn signals, no brake lights, no windshield wipers, no fuel gauges, speedometers, stuff all jacked up. No heater, fan controls, etc. We put a whole new wiring harness in, and everything should be working good now. Hit the brakes. We need turn signals. Other side. Right on. Turn the wipers on. There we go. Car's twice as old as he is. Probably 3 times as old as he is. Turn signals. Other side. Headlights. Right on. And the biggest upgrade, I think, is full digital dash. All working great. Glad this one's done. I know Alex is damn glad this one's done. You glad it's done, Alex? You glad this one's done?